How to use ESPN Fantasy's new draft board. The draft board is the updated draft room interface in ESPN Fantasy. Firstly, make sure that you are in the ESPN Fantasy app and not the website. Once you joined a live draft league, once the draft start time comes and all slots are filled, a launch draft or start draft button will appear in the lobby. Click that to go into draft mode. If you don't see that option, then you will see the practice draft or schedule draft. Make sure that your draft is live. To make it go live, you can schedule the draft, and on the scheduled time, it will get live. Once drafting begins, the draft board will display picks from all teams, all rounds in one view. You can scroll through to see who picked whom. There's also a draft train that shows recent picks and how picks were flowing round by round. In the new system, this train is scrollable, making it easier to track as picks accumulate. Once it is done, you can click on mock drafts or practice drafts to get comfortable. That's all for today. Thank you.